Hey guys! How are you? And welcome back to my channel. It's been a year since my last post on YouTube and I'm back. Ngayon, we're in another lockdown here in Manila. Since we're always on a lockdown and maraming mga derm clinics yung sarado ngayon, so mahirap mag-book ng mga facials, especially, you know, we're all cautious now in terms of our safety when we go outside. Nowadays, it's best if you do your facials at home and for you to learn how to really take care of your skin and how to maintain that smooth glow of your face. Before we start, thank you so much for Loubella for this cute the pink robe. This is so cute. Yeah. So let's start. Alright, so before we start our facial, make sure that your hair is tied up. Hassle pag pupunta sa mukha mo yung hair mo. So I suggest to wear a headband. Let's start my DIY home facial. Step 1. Make sure that your face is clean. My favorite facial cleansers are these two. Okay, so let's start with this one. After washing your face and scrubbing your face with this one, mafe-feel mo agad na super smooth yung skin mo. The other facial cleanser, that's my favorite that I usually use, is this Korean brand. Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. You can buy these two online. Before I forget, after washing your face, make sure that you also scrub your lips and make sure that it's moist and it's smooth and not dry. Another favorite of mine is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. For step 2, it's steaming your face. So for steaming your face, actually steaming opens up your pores. Also, it gets rid of those chemicals like oil on your face. And it's also easier for you to remove your blackheads and whiteheads. For steaming, you may use any, if you have a steamer, face steamer at home, you may use that, or you may buy affordable steamers online on Shopee, Lazada, or what I do, since I don't have any facial steamers, I boil water and put it on a bowl, just like this. And then, pag mainit na yung tubig, lalagyan natin sa bowl, and then makita mo yung steam niya, and then just use a towel, and then cover your whole head on top of the bowl. So, parang ganito. Yung towel, like that, and then okay, so I guess we're done on step 2.
Moving on to step 3.
For step 3, it's blackheads and whiteheads and pimple removal. For that, so for blackheads and whiteheads, I discovered this automatic blackheads removal online. This is actually nice because it has a camera built in it. So it's this one. And ang maganda dito, meron na rin siyang light. Once you turn it on, I turn it on sa oily. Papakita ko lang. Ayan o. Andun siya. Alright, zooming into my face. So usually, T-zone tayo sa start. Yung sa face ko, ito so far yung natin na dirt. So yan, yung nakuha natin from my face. Ew! So, yung kay my brother, mas madami. Sorry guys, so hindi masyado makita yung blackheads and whiteheads dun sa camera. So, to really show you how awesome and effective this thing is, I want to introduce you to my brother. Kasi, first time nito gagawin, so mas obvious yung blackheads niya sa camera. So, here you go. Okay guys, so I'm here with my brother kasi sasampulan ko siya ng blackheads removal. So, titingnan natin kung gaano kalala yung blackheads niya. Okay? And with that, bili daw kayo ng shirt niya. Okay, so magsimula na tayo. Hawakan mo yung phone ko.
Should I show?
Yeah.
That's my skin.
Oh, we're having a shooting here. Magbisita po tayo.
This is my skin. Yeah.
Ayun, no, dahil mo blackhead. I-zoom in natin yung blackhead.
Wait.
Okay, sige pa. Show.
Oh, yuck! Ew!
Ayan, no. Ang dami kaya. Zooming into your face. Wait. Pakita mo na mumula. Ayan, no.
Oh!
Ayan, no. Naiipon na siya dyan. How do you show it? Ayan, no. There. Sa tip. Kita mo ba?
Ah, that's gross. Yeah.
Bablackheads din natin yung buhok mo. Ew, your hair! Ay, pakita mo kasi! Yan!
Aha.
Parang di man na ano, pakita mo nga. I-zoom.
Ayan. Yan. It's...
Oh my God, namumula na. Oh, nagsidugo.
Ang sakit. Cut.
Cut.
So I guess my brother suffered enough. Okay, now back to the regular programming.
Okay, for step 4, let's don't mind how it looks like. So this is actually the high frequency treatment. It's a good treatment to prevent acne and shrink your pores. Also, it's to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and also it helps with your inflammation. And it's best if we use a gauze on top of your face. Gauze helps your skin to get more oxygen out of the current from this one. May level dito, no, of how intense it is. So, it's best if you put this dun sa mga may pimples ka, and mga namumulang areas. Yeah. Whoop! So, there. So, yun yung sound niya. Yeah, marami akong redness here on my chin. Maamoy mo yung parang burnt smell. Pwede nyo siya medyo lakas-lakasan if you want. Or medyo natotolerate nyo na. Alright. So, we're done with step 4. We're now on our last step, which is step 5. For step 5, it's masking. The facial mask, you can use any facial mask that you have. Yung mga Korean face mask, ganyan. Just put it on your face and then follow the instructions on the package. And then after that, that's it. That's your facial. But for me, for the face mask that I'll be using today, it's actually the Aztec Secret. This one, it's actually 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. This is how it looks like inside. Powder siya. This one, according to Google, its benefits are especially yung mga acne-prone skin, and then use it twice per week, and it helps heal acne-prone skin and eases the appearance of scars on your face. Mix it with equal parts of apple cider or water. Since wala akong apple cider now, I'm going to mix it with water na lang. Here, on the directions, ang nakalagay, mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider or water, and then use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Wala akong makita ang packaging, so thank you na lang dito. Pinagbilan namin ng ulam. Kasi ang Pilipino tayo. So this is how it looks like. So let's wait for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll remove this with warm water. This is actually the last step, but if you have extra cash and you want to invest more on the facials, you can actually also buy diamond peel machine that's affordable. Meron online, Lazada, Shopee, type mo lang diamond peel. I actually recommend that kasi I always do my diamond peel sa derma before. So, yun talaga. Effective siya. And also, I have this another gadget that I got online. Actually, a mini HIFU. Ang HIFU kasi, I use it sa derma. Ang gusto ko sa kanya kasi it helps with V-shape. Especially if you want a V-shape for your face. Derm clinics kasi, ang pinakamurang HIFU treatment is around 12,000. You do that treatment once per year. Actually, pinakamahal yung kay Loubella, mga thermage. That's also a type of HIFU treatment. Naintriga ako and I bought a HIFU treatment na parang portable. I tried it, tapos medyo umiinit siya on the face, but I still haven't seen any difference. I don't know. So I've been using this for almost more than a month now. And then, ginagamitan ko siya ng facial gel also. Compared it to the original HIFU treatment na ginagawa ko talaga sa derma, medyo may same feeling siya, na mainit tapos nangingilo yung ngipin ko at the same time. So, may ganun din feeling pag ginagamit ko rin ito. So, yun. Pero, in terms of the difference, hindi ko masyado pa nakikita. So, I cannot really recommend this yet. But, if you wanna try it, then go. Alright, so, ito, nag-dry up na siya. I'll zoom in more. I can't talk. Medyo super tight niya on the face. And, it's time for me to wash my face with warm water. Alright, I'm back. Wash my face. And here it is. Medyo namumula pa yung face ko. And after removing that mask, for me lang, but this is optional, is you use your cream. Can be your moisturizer, night cream for your, like, whitening or smoothening, any cream or essence that you use. There you go. And you're done with your facial and getting ready. Have a good night's sleep. Alright, so let me just zoom out. And so that's it. That's my DIY home facial tutorial. And as you guys on my next video, you may follow me on my Instagram here, and then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.